This brand is made in America by Heat Controller, which is a part of Motors and Armatures Inc., and the units are sold in the USA through a very limited network of authorized dealers. All of their units have a durable baked-on finish to keep the units looking good for many years, while their louvered metal jacket provides good protection for the condenser coil from lawnmower debris and hail. The HRG14 units are basic heat pumps with demand defrost for energy savings and reliable scroll compressors. They also have a composite base pan for quieter operation and are backed by a decent warranty, but it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure, which has pretty much become the industry standard. The HRG18 units are ultimate heat pumps with variable speed compressors as well as variable speed condenser fans for quiet and efficient operation. The units use R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy premium category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.